All right, what's going on, guys? This is Josh McDonald, and today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Subaru WRX, which is Mike's car. So Mike, what do you have done to it?
Guys, like I said, it's 18 WRX. Not a whole lot done, just a catless J-pipe, and what you would normally call a downpipe, but in this car it's considered a J-pipe because it kind of goes sideways instead of down off the turbo. But it's just a base model WRX with that and a tune, so it's stage 2 if you want to call it that. Pretty fun to drive, all-wheel drive. I got short shifter and weighted shift knob and stuff, but nothing too crazy. Kept it simple.
Sweet. Did you have an exhaust on it? Or is it stock?
It's just a J-pipe mated to the stock cap back.
Cool. All right, so I'm gonna let him hop inside and rev it up real quick. We'll just listen to the exhaust because it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty freaking good. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna take it for a drive, see how it feels. So I'll see you guys back here in a minute. Shifted it first, try not to stall it. Sweet. It's like that cop right there knew that we were gonna film a video.
Right. It's a pretty nice dealership we got from Mexico.
Yeah, bro. Out here in Tijuana. Yes, we know the cop is there.
That's probably the sliding glass door at Porsche.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it picks those up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Cop's definitely in a profile list with you wearing that GoPro on your head.
Yeah, I look retarded.
Another one.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, and the dog too. They're really coming after us today.
There must be like a manhunt or something.
Yeah.
Cool. Dude, I hope they're not up here.
Yeah, right. It might be kind of a sketchy time.
Right. Just hit it real quick, let them go. Oh, he's turning. I'll wait for that.
Shift in this, so it'll hold the revs at like 5,500.
What? Just keep my foot on the clutch?
Keep your foot on the gas.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, and it's way smoother too, so you don't get that like big jerk forward when you let off.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared to do that.
Just try it from like second to third real quick, just to see.
Okay. Go down to second. Oh shit.
Isn't it sick?
Dude, that is freaking awesome.
Yeah, it's so much faster. And you, like I said, you don't get that huge like jerk forward.
Right.
Momentum, and then it holds boost too.
Now, does Cobb do that? Is that through the Cobb thing?
Yeah, yeah. You won't do that. You don't want to do that stock because you just push you right to the red line. But with the Cobb, you can like set it to wherever you want it. Right now it's at 55. Just right on the forums. That's what most people are doing. So that's what I did. But yeah, you can do it up. You can have 6,000, or I think it's like every 100 RPM you can set it to. So 54.
kind of tune do you have on your Cobb? Because I know they have like 3 different ones.
Well, yeah,
or something like that.
Well, they have like the Cobb has like a bunch of like factory, like off the shelf tunes, is what they call it, that you could run. Just like if you do this exact mod to this exact car, you can run this exact map.
Right.
But then there's 2 other options you can do as well. You can do E-tunes or Pro tunes. Pro tunes meaning you go to a dyno and the guy is scanning everything and it makes adjustments based off that. Okay. I have an E-tune. It's from Torque Performance. The guy's name, he's in North Carolina as well. His name's Eric. But he basically what he's doing is he's done like thousands of Subarus, done the E-tunes on him. That you can data log on here. So you drive, you do like a pull in a certain gear and idle around for a little bit, and he looks at all the numbers, analyzes them, and makes revisions to the tune. I think he did like 10 or 12 revisions before we got to like the final number, before he was happy with everything. But yeah, I mean, it's super easy, and a lot of people will argue that like it's like as good as a Pro tune just because you're getting like it's not, the car's not up on a dyno on wheels really, it's on a real world
just
condition.
On the road. Yeah, it's way better.
Yeah, but then there's people that will say like the Pro tune's way better because I don't know, it's like real time, the guys right there are able to do it.
Right.
And it costs more too, so like an E-tune's like $200, whereas a Pro tune, depending on where you go, it could be anywhere from 500 to like 1,000.
How much was yours?
$200.
Oh,
I mean, you buy the access port for like 600, but then tune was $200. And then you could do, let's say you do like another modification down the line, he can just revise your map for that. Like just go through the same process again, basically.
Heck yeah. This thing is pretty sweet. You get some good gas mileage. You get 27.9.
Yeah, I've been driving it kind of hard recently, just for fun. So I actually get like around 30 if I'm like being conservative.
Holy crap! Really?
Yeah. I was only getting like 24 until I tuned it, and I actually got better mileage after.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get worse.
Yeah, but then I did a stage 1 tune first, and then I put the downpipe on, did the stage 2 tune, and then I got like another 2 miles per gallon after that. I don't know what it was.
I'm on school bus. Jesus Christ. Just gotta go pick our coworkers up. Just want to hit it one more time.
No, the bus isn't short enough.
Sliding doors. Fucked it up mad hard.
Didn't do anything, just missed the gear.
Just put it up here real quick. Because why not? Yeah guys, so that was Mike's 2018 WRX. If you like this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. But thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time. Appreciate it. Alright guys, sitting out at my apartment. I'm a little sick today, but yeah, I'm looking for some sponsorships. If any companies want to email me, my contact info is down below. Also, let me know what kind of cars you guys want to see. I'm open to sponsorships. Let me know what kind of cars you want to see, and if you guys are a dealership, let me know, and I'll come out there and record some cars for you guys. I'm interested in recording new makes and models, so definitely hit me up for that. But that's it for now. It's Joshua McDonald. I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you watching.